फिर आपने ये बताया था कि इंडियाज़ सेंसेक्स हैड ट्रिपल फ्रॉम 2014 टू 2023 बट ये ट्रिपल पहले भी हुआ था इन द प्रीसीडिंग डेकेड अंडर अ डिफरेंट गवर्नमेंट एंड आपने बताया था दैट यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट जो S&P 500 दैट हैज आउटपेस्ड इंडियाज मार्केट इन सम रिसेंट ईयर्स आई वांट टू आस्क यू योर व्यूज ऑन द इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट वर्सेस द यूएस स्टॉक मार्केट्स आपको क्या लग रहा है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वैल्यूएशंस ओवर वैल्यूड है अंडर वैल्यूड है लाइक व्हाट इज योर थीसिस
So that is something which is very hard to say. Uh, अगर ये मैं ठीक से कर पाता तो मैं अमीर आदमी होता. Recently, there's been more sort of downward pressure in the Indian market, and there's been more upward pressure in the US market. A lot of the difference seems to be about AI and how it will be utilized. And my sense is any new technology, there's a lot more euphoria, which tends to be disappointed at first if you look at the pattern, and then eventually it happens. जैसे कि internet stocks थे, Amazon used to be thought of very highly in the dot-com boom, and then collapsed. And if we'd all bought Amazon then, we'd be very rich now. But Amazon came back up and now is floating high because of AI. In fact, yesterday's news that Amazon's its cloud services were doing well was a boost to Amazon. So I think the bottom line is that the euphoria has shifted to the US from India. There was a time when everybody was euphoric about India. Now, with the tariffs and so on, there may be a more pessimism in India about India. So I would say that with the hope that these tariff negotiations with the US are resolved, there's no reason why India should be tariffs more than every other country in the world. And if we bring it back to levels which are similar to our competitors, between 10 and 20%, I think the hope for India's growth will again improve. Again, India is growing reasonably well, but there's this cloud on India's growth from the tariffs and so on. So uh, the hopes of the foreign investors will improve, and the anticipation, the ambition for India will improve, and so India will do better when that happens.
तो फ्रॉम व्हाट आई अंडरस्टैंड आप बोल रहे हो लाइक फॉरेन इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ जाएगा इंडिया में एंड लॉन्ग टर्म इंडियन स्टॉक मार्केट्स आर बुलिश इन द सेंस लॉन्ग टर्म में लाइक दे विल परफॉर्म बेटर इज व्हाट आई
I
अंडरस्टैंड.
think so. I think so. It's always hard to tell because the current level and the future level. If the current level is too high, the future level, the change will not be that high. But I think if India develops as promised, there's no reason why India's stock market should hold back. There will be periods of overvaluation, periods of undervaluation, but if you stay for the long run, there's no reason why you won't be, getting adequate returns.